I just split it to 2 videos. Okay. Get up. Go on. Go. When's the time when I have to kill him? Where am I supposed to go? Oh. Gotcha, Candid. Where's that light coming from? Oh, there's some more gas.
Awesome.
Super. Where's that little girl go? She's actually very helpful. She really missed the right way. You like comment on where to go. I'm so confused. Why's the light on in the bathroom? To take a shit again? This is so boring.
Okay.
Move, goddamn. Can I move, please? Little girl pointed this way. Now it would let me go this way. Oh. Oh, nice. That would be really helpful. Thanks, little girl. Tell me what the fucking fuse box is. Is this it, really? Oh, really? Fucking retard. Open the damn door. Hey, is that the blue toolbox? Oh, they want me to open the blue toolbox. Okay. Oh, so am I a little girl? I'm a little girl, apparently. Oh, really? The axe is there? I know that. Ooh, you ruined everything. Me? How did I do? There's just a little girl. Oh no. That means everyone saw when they saw that dick pic. You should help. Oh, damn, bitch. Okay, I see how it is. We just go through it faster. Oh, bitch. Can I take pictures? I want to see. Where's the little girl? Okay. Look around. Hey. That puppy.
Bringing up every night be caught up to nightmare. I try to go back to bed, but I can't fall asleep. I feel the empty in my soul. Like I'm stuck here for a long, long time.
I know, it's probably because you're not supposed to be moving at all right now. I'll take you with me. Come on, Teddy. Okay, then. I wanted to bring the bunny, Teddy, puppy thing. Thank you, little girl. You're always helpful. Oh, I was going to say she sucked my dick, but I don't have one. We got to the puppy bunny thing again. Oh, it's watching me move. How nice. Wish I had the axe. Could chop its fucking head off. Oh, hold up. Everyone leaves, even your shadow leaves when you're in the darkness. I have to find now. Let me talk to you, Teddy Bunny Dog. Oh, you're riding again. No? What the hell was that for? You ain't riding this, Teddy. Fucking bitch ass Teddy. Shut up! You ain't writing shit. Shut the fuck up! You really know how to be a bitch, but you have a lot of practice being stuck here so long. Oh, what does it want me to do? Take the fuse out? That's what the... Shut up. Is there something on the ceiling? I was expecting that little girl to be up there crawling around on the ceiling making that noise. Let me just turn the lamp off now. Yes. Shut up, bitch. Ah.
Truth is all I heard. But is this the only thing we all need, right?
No.